Hello to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you must be fine at your home. And after the vacation, after the Diwali vacation, you all have come. And the first video I'm going to make after the Diwali vacation for you, and it will be very special because you all have some extra energy after enjoying your vacation. Vacation enjoy kar liya na? So that's over. Now let's start study because your unit test 4 is coming soon. Unit test 4 is going to held on December, and I think so December 14 then the date of examination, so you need to prepare. And you know about the syllabus na? Syllabus yaad rakho. 6, 7, 8 and 9 chapter will be coming in your examination, so you need to be prepared. And what we were discussed before the vacation, we were discussing about the division. Now today let's discuss about the division and fraction. Let's discuss about the division and fraction. So what is the division and what is the fraction? Today we will learn about some long term division, long division method. That will be long division method, and the last and final topic is long division method. So long division method is very important method. Long division method. So what is it? You will get, for example, divide 15 by 3. For example, divide 15 by 3. For example, divide 15 by 3. What is the long division method? Divide 15 by 3. 15 by 3. So you need to know about the dividend, divisor, quotient. सब लोग बोलेंगे सर dividend, divisor, quotient we have heard, but we don't know about that sir. हमने सुना है सर, लेकिन हम जानते नहीं इसके बारे में सर. So today let's learn what is the dividend, what is the divisor, and what is the quotient. For example, divide 15 by 3. So then first of all we arrange like this. Arrange like this, and inside there will be dividend. Inside there will be dividend. Outside there will be divisor. There will be divisor. Last and final, a number which will be remains, that will be quotient. That will be quotient. That will be quotient. जो number divide करेगा that will be divisor. जो number divide होगा that will be dividend. और जो बचेगा last में, that is remaining number, that is quotient. That is quotient. So first of all you have to understand in between 15 and 3 which one is divisor and which one is dividend. Divide 15. 15 को divide करो किससे? 3 से. 3 divide करेगा 15 को, it means 3 is a divisor, 15 is a dividend. So we'll write 3. We'll write 3. Now read out the table of 3 till 15. आपको 3 का टेबल पढ़ना है, 15 तक आना चाहिए. 15 से ग्रेटर नहीं जाना चाहिए. 15 से स्मॉलर that could be best. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Oh, 3 5s are 15, so that will be 15. The answer is 0. So this is the divisor, dividend and the quotient. And answer division fact. Division fact is 5. Division fact is 5. अपने पास एक और मेथड है, one more method that can be understand very easily. Here will be written that divide 12 by 3, and there will be division fact. There will be division fact. Division fact. Next will be divisor. Divisor. Next will be dividend. Next will be dividend, and next will be quotient. Next will be quotient. Next will be quotient. Divide 12 by 3. Divide 12 by 3. There will be division fact, divisor, dividend and the quotient. Division fact. So see, 12 by 3. Divide 12 by 3. 12 by 3. It means 12 को 3 से divide करो. That will be 3. 3 is a divisor. Dividend is 12. And the quotient will be 0. And the division fact will be 4. 3 1 ja. Read out the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12. So that will be 4. if we talk about in word problem, if we talk about the division in word problem, it is very simple. For example, we are having 18 chocolates. For example, we are having 18 chocolates and there are 3 children. So we divide 18 chocolates in between 3 children. Among 3 children, अगर हमारे पास 18 चॉकलेट है और मुझे 3 चिल्ड्रन पे डिवाइड करना है, so how we will divide? It means divide 18 by 3. Divide 18 by 3. So 3 will be the divisor, 18 will be the dividend, 0 will be the quotient, and 3, read out the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, and 3 6 ja 18. So the division fact will be 6. So this is the word problem. So this was the division chapter, and division chapter is being over right now. Now let's start the chapter fraction. That is very important chapter. Fraction. अब पिज्जा खाते हो ना, पिज्जा, उसको कैसे फ्रैक्शन करना है, let's see. It is very interesting. It will be, you will all enjoying this chapter. See, देखो, अब हम फ्रैक्शन के बारे में बात करेंगे. We'll talk about the fraction. For example, we are having one circle. It is just one shape. अब इसको क्या करेंगे? If we divide in the middle, अगर इसको डिवाइड कर दिया, so it will become 1/2 part. It will become 1/2 part. This is the fraction. अगर हमने इसको डिवाइड कर दिया तो 1 का हमने कितने पार्ट में डिवाइड किया? 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया. So that will equal to 1/2 and 1/2. अगर हमने फिर से इसको डिवाइड कर दिया तो 1 को कितने पार्ट में? 1 2 3 4. तो हर एक पार्ट कितने का हो जाएगा? 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. So अगर for example हमने we have divided into 3 part, 1 2 and 3 part. For example, we divide it into 3 part. That will 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. This is the fraction common basis. If we divide any shape, if 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, it will become 1 by, if we divide 2 part, 1/2. If we divide 3 part, 1/3. So this shape only will be on the 1/3, and this will become 1/3. This will become 1/3. So dear students, this is very easy and very tremendous chapter of fraction, and try to solve and try to understand the shapes which has been given in your book, and try to understand, and we will discuss in Zoom lecture also. So till then, bye everyone, and God bless you all.